Start by selecting Utilities or pressing F6. Then select Edit Sequence. Select the desired sequence for step editing. Select the step from the sequence that has the image that needs to be annotated. Select Edit. Select Edit GWI to open the GWI editor. Then go to the Image tab and select Edit Annotations to bring up the Annotation Editor. The leftmost cluster of buttons has a choice of shapes for text annotations on the top row and has a choice of shapes with arrows on the bottom row. There is also a choice for a shapeless text box with an arrow. Once a text shape is chosen, it can be placed in the Annotation Editor by clicking to place the text and dragging to place the arrow in the desired location. This same click and drag method can also be used to move the annotation. The copy and paste buttons can be used to make a quick copy of an annotation. Delete can be used to remove an annotation. Delete all can be used to remove all of the annotations. The text can be edited in the text field, and the font, text size, and text color can be changed using the corresponding fields. The name of the arrow size, as well as the type can also be changed. The arrow type is the same shape choice offered initially. The line weight and color of the arrow can also be changed. The text box can be filled by checking the Fill box and selecting the color of the fill using the Color box. The text and arrow can also be made to blink by checking the Blink box. P1 coordinates are the coordinates of the text box, while P2 coordinates are the coordinates of the arrow. This is a helpful tool if a new annotation needs to be exactly in line with a current annotation, or if an annotation's location needs some fine-tuning. The zoom slider zooms in and out of the window pane, while the origin sliders dictate where the annotation will reside in the window pane. Annotations used frequently can also be created and saved to save time in the Annotation Editor. These are stored in the Common Annotations drop-down menu. To create these, select OK to save annotations and return to the System Utilities window, saving the step and sequence progress. From here, select Configuration, then select Edit Common Annotations. This will bring up the Annotation Editor with all of the same functions as the Annotation Editor from earlier, but with the ability to save annotations to the Common Annotation menu to be used in any step in any sequence that needs annotations. Select OK to save an annotation in the Annotation Editor. This will now be available in the Common Annotation drop-down menu.